Hello, it's Tekho. Mimi ngami yu suju hite soyo nyedoile. Yavu tikakwa nani let's go jile. Let's go jile. Let's go together. Tiwa jile. Let's go together. Tiwa jile. Let's go with them. Iwa bi tiwa jile. Let's go with them. Iwa bi tiwa jile. Let's go with him. Ibi tiwa jile. Let's go with him. Ibi tiwa jile. Let's go with her. Mu ibi tiwa jile. Let's go with her. Mu ibi tiwa jile. Let's go with us. Mwanu bi tiwa jile. Mwanu kenye tiwa bi shule bi bejango. Let's go now. Tipa jile. Let's go now. Tipa jile. Let's go to the market. Jiti jakwa jile. Let's go to the market. Jiti jakwa gile. Let's go to school. Juhi kwa jile. Let's go to school. Juhi kwa jile. Let's go to church. Wakwihi kwa jile. Let's go to church. Wakwihi kwa jile. Let's go home. Hiku kwa jile. Let's go home. Hiku kwa jile. Let's go to the office. Yuhi kwa jile. Let's go to the office. Yuhi kwa jile. Let's go to Putao. Putao kwa jile. Let's go to Putao. Putao kwa jile. Let's go to Miao. Miwa kwa jile. Let's go to Miao. Miwa kwa jile. I want to go. Ngwagi nishalo. I want to go. Ngwaji nishalo. I want to go now. Tipa ngwaji nishalo. I want to go now. Tipa ngwaji nishalo. I want to go to school. Ngwa suhi kwa jinishalo. I want to go to school. Ngwa suhi kwa jinishalo. I want to go to the office. Ngwa yuhi kwa jinishalo. I want to go to the office. Ngwa yuhi kwa jinishalo. I want to go to the market. Ngwa jiti jakwa jinishalo. I want to go back home. Ngwa hiku kwa la jinishalo. I want to go back home. Ngwa hiku kwa la jinishalo. Imuti kwa nani? I want to go back my hometown. Ngwa himu kwa la jinishalo. I want to go back my hometown. Ngwa himu kwa la jinishalo. Ho kwa jisode.